Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create emoji face in PowerPoint. So click on insert, then shape, and here select this oval. Now press and hold shift key and drop. Now here change color for this shape. So select this color in the fill. Now create another shape. Press and hold shift key and draw. Now Control C, Control V. Now make color, so make it black. And now you need in the shapes, insert and find out this shape. Arc shape and draw here. Now shape outline, so make big size and shape color, select black. Now fill and now move like this. Keep here and make the color black. So in fill select no fill and shape outline, make black. So now you can make any style for this one. You can make proper like this. So thanks for watching. Also you can add ear. You can add ear. So same, select here and shape outline, select black and shape fill, select no fill. Shape outline with size. Now select first shape, second one, and in the shape format firstly select this one by pressing Ctrl and this one. Now in shape format select merge shapes and select this fragment. You can select union or fragment. Also you can select this subtract to make more different style. And same, now copy and paste here and make this size to this one. One thing more you can do, insert, make white circle between, press shift and draw, make the color shape fill as a white. Now Control C and Control V. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.